know what I'm doing for a change. My God, the world's gonna come to an end.
Yeah, I was going to say that. And I have a son, and that's I can say it. Come on, Butch.
And Butch, we'll run you very last with that animal in case they show up.
So, Dwayne, you're okay with where you're at? Mel, you're okay?
We got this first class going already, so we're doing great.
Okay. I wanted to watch you go the next time. Yeah, she did.
You want me to put your hat box down, or is it okay if there's great? Thank you.
But you just have to break all the packets and put them in the that would be fun, wouldn't it? Yeah. Body support, totally different color. Pretty.
That's what I think.
Is that the wild woman on a horse? Oh my God, Frank, you're in for an house and right in your ear.
Admirable true.
Good thing you didn't bring Rio for this. You got a sight. Actually, I practiced the worship. Did you see how they sight up around the corner? How what they're doing with this?
Made that try to walk transition. She just looked at that white bridge. I mean, and then I talked her into it. She takes it up a bit.
Oh no.
She let me talk her into it. She just went so low.
Did you do it last fall?
Absolutely.
Okay, then you're fine.
For sure. For sure.